Hello and welcome back. I'm here, joined with George, and we're in the MX-5. It's a bit of a weird video. It's like first proper vloggy video. We're just going to go through some of the bits that have happened on the channel recently. If you've been following us on Instagram, you probably already know. But today we're just going to follow us through a bit of filming and some bits that we're working on. At the moment, we're actually working on a video on the Ibiza, and we're waiting for someone to turn up. You'll see eventually. We've got a few more videos coming to the channel though, which are...
We've got some on the MX-5, we've got some new brake calipers and pads to go on the car soon, as well as some spray paint. Get the wheels and calipers all done as well, so that'll be a bit of a fun one coming up soon. Hopefully you should get some better weather when we get on with that soon.
Because as you can see today,
Bruce hasn't been helping us out recently, so we're going with that. Well, we've got plenty of other videos planned for you as well. We've got the iGo just over there. We're trying to get a review for you soon.
Just there. And we've not forgotten about that bad boy underneath there. However, progress is slow on that because we've got to work out what we need to do for rust repair. Because there's a bit of rust on the inside, on the underneath, which I didn't realise was there on the subframe. So it will be fine. However, we got some pretty exciting news. We've teamed up with a little company, well, pretty big company actually, Auto Perfection. They're basically giving us 20% off, and we get to play with their products. We don't get paid by them. It's literally, we met them, enjoyed their products, started the conversation off, conversation got better, and now we can pass on that saving to you. So there'll be a little thing just below, but the actual saving code is Splodge20, I think.
Yeah, or you can just copy it from the description below. Yeah,
it'll be in the description below, but I think it's Splodge20. And basically, you can already see that. So this is Quick Detailer. I brought at a car meet probably just under a year ago, and it's the one that I've kept in my car and I use very regularly. So when these guys, or when I started speaking to these guys, I then clicked that this was actually their product that I've been using, and I actually love it. The actual hydrophobic qualities of it are really good. So I'll just show you on the Ibiza as I get out. I'm an old man. So we got it there, but so I've been a bit bad and haven't actually washed the car properly, but I gave it a quick detail probably about a week and a bit ago, and I don't know if you can see from the weather that we've been having, it's still beating. Yeah, their stuff's really good actually. So met them down at Tuna Fest and had a really good conversation. So Auto Perfection as a company, I think 2014 they were founded. It's a father-son operation, so it's really nice. As I say, we met the guys down at Tuna Fest, had a really good conversation with them, and they've got some really good things coming out soon actually. But if you are looking at getting, first sort of thing I'd recommend is their drying towels, because they're really, really good. Plus the Quick Detailer, because as I've said, it's really, actually, let's try something like that. Their cloths are actually really good as well, but this isn't one, this is a Halfords one, because I can't be bothered to go to the shed and get one. So, let's just try something. Spray a little bit on. Wipe. Get all that crap up first of all. Your car is so dirty.
This is the joys of living on a dirt road.
That's true actually.
That's why I want to get a cover for the car.
Understandably, because what we'll do, obviously most of this is going to be cut out anyway. Alright. And we're done. So, you should, let me just see if I can see the screen. That lovely shine that's already started kicking up. This bonnet is not in amazing condition. There's lots of paint chips on it, but how old's the car now?
The car's 15 years old, so
it's in relatively good condition for that. Because what we're going to do at some point is give this car a full cut down, but that's not, you know, a huge amount of spraying, not a huge amount of effort. So it's started raining again, and the battery died on the camera, but hopefully we got enough of it to show. But as you can see, just a little spritz, and the Quick Detail spray works really, really well. again, I did mine probably about a week ago, and all the hydrophobic qualities are still there.
Yeah, if you are interested in us doing like a review of each of the products or anything, just let us know in the comments below. Be quite useful. It gives us more stuff to do as well. We've got plenty of it to try out. So,
as I say, they've not sent us anything. Everything we purchase, but we get 20% off, and then you guys get 20% off. So it's a win-win for everyone, really. And I have far too many clean products to buy, and I buy too much stuff anyway.
Just a bit.
Yeah, but their snow foam has turned up, and it smells really good. And I also got their interior spray as well, so that's really, it's like a quick detail spray, but for the plastics and everything. So I'm quite interested in looking at. Battery number 3. What were we saying? Yeah, their snow foam's turned up, and their quick detailer interior spray has turned up as well, which would be really interesting to see. They also do a huge amount of waxes as well in the little tester pots, which you can actually get about 2.5, maybe 3 full waxes of car, which is pretty impressive actually. As I was saying, for the Ibiza, at some point soonish, we're going to be making this little gap here just a little bit smaller, with hopefully by about 35mm, because that's probably the springs we're going to go for, just to drop it down a little bit. But not really a huge amount left planned for this car now. We've got a walk around video coming for it, and it's still obviously my daily driver, so we're going to do a what's it like to live with X amount of years on. But yeah, I like the car, and you're going to see more and more and more and more of it, and it's dirty, but in terms of the modifications and stuff for it at this moment, because there's not a huge amount more you can do. I don't really want to do any more power mods or anything like that. It's got a K&N air filter in it just to let it flow a bit better. What would be nice is if someone releases a nice splitter for it, or at least spoiler extender, a bit like the Maxton Design ones. So if you guys want one and you have an Ibiza, message Maxton Designs, we'll try and convince them. Power in numbers and all. But you can see the little difference, hopefully. Oh wow, what is this? What is that?
I mean, you can really tell.
What is that?
We've done it now.
What is that? It's the sun. Yeah, you can hopefully see the differences.
Hopefully the camera's picking up as well as you can see it for us, but
yeah. And it smells good, which is nice. It's not that important, but yeah, it's a good bonus. We're going to give this a nice detail very, very soon. Get rid of those nasty grey alloys. So what's going to happen is these are going to go black, these are going to go yellow. We're going to get a nice yellow toe strap on the front.
Yeah, as you might have seen if you watched the previous MX-5 video, it didn't quite go well last time I tried to do it, but hopefully we'll get that sorted soon enough.
Fingers crossed everything does go well.
Yeah.
The biggest problem we have is weather and time, because we both have jobs, unfortunately.
Yeah, well, we get listening to other people's advice as well. Hopefully we'll be getting the dash cam done on the MX-5 soon as well, because a lot of people have been asking about a fitting video for one of those. So hopefully we'll be getting that on just after the brakes are done.
Yeah, so with today's video, you will be seeing this and another one. We've got a lovely guy come over with Jimmy, and we're just going to do a little bit of a comparison because he's got the FR Sport. So, you know, I did say I wanted to do the video, and we're doing it.
So yeah, we'll cut back to you once he's turned up. You can stick with us while we get that one filmed, and hopefully that video will be up quite soon after this one.
Fingers crossed. So Jimmy's running a little bit late, so we thought basically we've just given the car a bit of a wipe over, but you can see what the oil perfection actually does. Oh, there's some swirl marks on there now. A couple little spritz. This is their actually endless buffing towel, which is so good. That's actually fresh from a packet. Wow. It's actually really nice. yeah, so go check them out. Link will be in the description below with the additional code that's going to be on there. There's going to be lots of videos coming through, but I'd recommend them. So, we're sat, waiting. The Ibiza is parked up.
Looking good.
It's a shame about the weather. I'm not able to do the wheels or anything like that. But what we're going to do is play a bit of the Switch, play some Smash Bros. We'll see. We'll just sit and wait. We'll probably get some photos and stuff. If you're actually following us on Instagram, you'll see the photos going up at the moment. So we're here, waiting for Jimmy and just getting some B-roll stuff done. Just because we were waiting, sitting, got a tram going past. Yeah, it's all good. Some B-roll of B-roll. Video day. Update, still waiting, but now it's raining. But look at the beats. Still raining though. We played enough Smash, done a little bit of B-roll. It'll be fine, eventually.
Hopefully.
As long as that holds off. After an hour, we're here. We're ready, in theory.
Which is a good reason to keep them in the car.
Exactly, that's true. So we finally got here. Long drive down. Wave. So we're just going to get the video done and we'll see what happens. But as you can see, it's the FR Sport. What's great is that interior. I might just steal his dash, he won't realise, it'll be fine. So he's got the Alcantara seats, but he's got the digital dash on the inside. So we'll see how that goes. Just in case you want to follow another Ibiza, go check him out on Instagram. It's got it on each side. And it's raining again, because that's just the way it is. So, we'll let George do what he needs to do. And again, Jimmy has his own Instagram page, so definitely go and check that out. And let us know what you think of the Ibiza FR. What he's thinking of doing, maybe, I'm trying to convince him, is going yellow accents across everything. Big bright yellow sticker. Subscribe to Splodgemotors written on the side. We're going to start our own subscribe to PewDiePie campaign. No, but honestly, we're not sure. Put some sort of suggestions in the comment section. Work out what you think would work. What you think they're doing there. Tell the world what's going to change. What they can look forward to on your Instagram. What's next? Bro?
Obviously, next up's probably plates.
From?
Oh, probably roller plates.
Yeah.
Yeah.
10% in the description.
And maybe a sun strip. Sun's out nowadays. Maybe tints.
Yeah.
Need to try and find like a splitter or a spoiler lip and just a few things really. Just need to get the money for them first, of course. Hard times.
Yeah, money is always the option. Maxton Designs, if you have an Ibiza, email them, ask them to try and do things for this model, because that's what we're trying to do, and the rain's starting again, but that's fine. Yeah, so contact Maxton Designs, ask them to do a splitter, other than just the Seat one. Again, a lot of people do ask what splitter it is. It's just the standard Seat one, but painted all black instead of having the body colour matching. What I really want to see is spoiler lips. So we've mostly filmed most of the standard bits. We're going to do a bit of driving bits as well, but we're just talking about the differences in terms of sunroof, the difference it actually makes. To be fair, you could wrap black.
Yeah, true.
Wrap roof black, and then if someone says you got a sunroof, we say, yeah, but it just doesn't work. Manufacturer's broken on it, so that's it. You can't actually see through it either. It's not actually glass. The difference the plates actually make. To be fair, wrapping behind that black, giving that a wide mouth look really nice, because you could black that and then black down into there as well.
Exactly, it's true. Yeah, give it
just makes it that wide mouth look. But I'll tell you what, it's a gorgeous looking car. I think red. I like the red. Yeah, so I brought that one without seeing it. I was trying to find the grey one actually. That was the colour I was looking for.
Nice. Very rare. Never really see those.
No. The blue one's a standard one, which is also an advantage that if I do accidentally make a mistake and run out of skill, I can get parts for that really easy.
Yeah.
There's also people who started doing the dynamic lights as well on there.
I've seen that.
Which
Very nice.
are cool, but I don't know if I could be bothered.
Same.
That's my the bit on it. What we're going to do is plug in Krista, sort out some of the bits that Jimmy wants to make disappear, and then we'll do some driving shots as well. With that as our trail car. See how that goes. So we're just going off to get some rolling shots, which will be really, really good, hopefully. There we are. So that's our little vloggy bit done. A few videos, well, 1 or 2 videos done today, hopefully. We'll see what they come out with. He's driving away. It's a really good looking car in red. Really looks good in red. And there we are, we're left with Sam, the blue Ibiza. Thank you all for watching. I hope you've had a lovely day. Have a safe journey, everyone, if you're going out anywhere. And please like down there, comment down there as well. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and watch the other videos that are going to be over there. Anyway, have a good one. I've been Matt. See you later. Bye-bye.